How to order food on DoorDash. Hello and welcome back to Let Me Help. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can place your order using DoorDash application. So make sure that you have this application installed in your device. Tap open it. Also make sure that you are logged into your account. Now from these given restaurants, select the restaurants that you would like to order from. You can also fetch for discounts and free deliveries. Pick your order. Now here choose if you would like it to be delivered to you or would you rather pick it up. Once you select the food, you can also custom your order. Now once you finalize your order, it will lead you to this page. Here tap on continue at the bottom. Now make sure you also enter your delivery address, your phone number, and your payment method. This is the total that you will be paying, and once done, go ahead and tap on place order at the bottom of the page. This is how you can place order using DoorDash. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe. We will be back soon with more tutorials like this.